How are you this morning?
Not too bad, brother. Give thanks, man.
How did your surgery go?
Yes, man. Right now, me to go back Thursday there tomorrow to make the doctor them inspect it.
No, I saw your appeal. It said that I should reach out to you and give you some assistance.
You don't know me grateful, man. Right? Sure, man. I pray for thee, man. You know, man. He's strong and stay strong, you know, my brethren.
Yes, yes. It's a very good lineup. A lineup of videos from the Peanut Dread. The natty. The bubba with a nasty mouth. He mouth want mouthwash. To it dirty. Peanut Dread don't brush him out. I'll be a bad word come out of it. Anyways. See me.
Nothing man see for long.
See for long. Yeah. Watch out, man. Jesus Christ, man. All time, man, wear long drawers, you know, man.
Yeah.
The pants foot and the drawers foot are one length, you know.
Yeah.
Just for see it turn down. And if you have a long string, right?
Yes.
That means when you go up and slam the woman, you see blast him and down battery root and a tickle her so. Jesus God is another sweetness that you hear. So you go up, you know. Yes, man. You see that tickling battery root, you know. Yeah. So while you would in her belly and when you go down, you see down there make so lash him and down battery root and tickle him. And they must say, wait, but I have to do that. So I can do it, you know. And get convert.
You know, right, finna ram goat more than we.
Mr. Winner born in a clothes, man. I brave make you see it.
I ram goat and go and say them more than we see long and free.
Yes, man, ram goat terribly, no, man. Me like how a man go on when he want to focus, man. Eh?
Can't make ram goat see long and free, you're right.
What a terrible man, man. To say when that man want to fucking on my bread, you know, see all the way I come from here, him down here, make nice, you know. Right? A quarrel.
He saw no ram goat go when they want wife. How that sound they go again?
What you say, man? The man go bre. You think him fuck when the man go bre.
I want to tell him
talk him a talk, man. I said, no, I want to fuck. And if you're tired of rascal.
Next time I'm in a relationship and I want to have sex, I'm going to say, bre. Girl, when I hear me say bre, just drop your jaws. Moving forward.
I know my side. You see the little woman in my short, so I little in her body. For them turn little to, you know. Them can't lay down any man in my bed. Yeah. And the two men get no hell about the good act for me. Yes, my brethren. No, some man say, boy, I love you, you know, that me can't do everything when I want to do. And the time I go on the big one, they make you most rough. Yeah. In a relationship, you have to look at that now.
Look yourself.
Yes, you see, some people don't understand. Into relationship, you have to look your side.
Yes.
Right. Yeah, you can't just jump so. Come some woman home up at them chest. Right, some down at them belly button. That's why God make man with short hood, long hood, fat hood, slim hood. Yes, so that's why you have to look your side. Because you will get embarrassed if you depend on woman a grinder and you would lick and fear up and chest and all the work you say, chow, you're not going with that thing. You take up more speed, you must say, chow. You only sweat up for me. You will feel, because you come off and cuss bad or they don't. I said, but you don't look like you can't manage. You come out of the place. Not at all. You do all your best, you know, my brother. And people still are made with you. I said, so, you're not going with that.
The woman said, little buddy boy, get out of here. Peanut Dread said me not have such a big... Yo, woman, we share me, man. Let me tell you something, woman, we share, man. Jesus Christ. But, yo, a nature, I saw nature go, how God make you. So, God make some of we short, some of we tall. Make some of we with arm length, some of we with finger. Yo, Peanut Dread a drama. Peanut Dread a drama. Anyways, me know say you don't laugh like laughing a goat a style. Bigger like a video. Like the video, man. Jesus, like the video, man. Yeah, man. We are move forward.
Right, but when you hear it bumbo clock thing, nobody go around it, not because you not try it, yeah? Yeah, me tell you, because me have a wicklow finger, you see? and Natty, Jesus God. Could me get rid of the little finger? Eh? Everything I use, I couldn't. Me say no, man. Natty look like them rub your hand them and your finger, them and go rotten off, you know. Me say when me all heating on Natty and put me on my mouth, so. You see? Me have to say, wait, I wish this a dead rat, the butter. When me make so, Jesus God, I hit the blood clot. Me say, I sick. I don't like fault, you know. Oh, me have to live with the fault, you know, Natty. And me say, nothing left when me not try. Me say, hey, you get fucked. You have to go live with them, your fault, man. Me go one pharmacy one day, you see, go buy one red Mercura Chrome, fi drop in there. And see a man. And go show the man it and tell the man. And the man say, Dread, one catch it first. That one here. And then it starts spread. And catch the whole of them. Oh God. Then think. When me tell the man, say me brethren, look here. Nothing no left when me not try, sir. The man said them they not bad yet.
The judge say, in go so. And my wonder whisper rat dead. In go so again. And I finger, Jesus. He finger think. Oh my God, Dread, go on a doctor, man. Go on a doctor, go to surgery on the finger, man. The surgery. We continue.
2 portions for one woman. Eh? And me help her to get better than. Me say, what you do? When you tell him, say, sir, the man said, Dread, go and get a pack of salt physic. Warm the water. Throw the salt physic in the water. And as hot as you can bear it, push the finger them down in there. And wash them out good. Take all matches stick and open the quick car down and quick wiggle them there. And wash it out good. And buy a buckle of iodine. And drop it in them. Kiss me blood clot. Anytime you have a problem, no keep it to yourself. Yeah, boy. Walk and tell people, no shame. Every blood clot get better. Me said, I'm on a God, you know. Because not even God, if there's a God exists, not even God don't help me with them, yeah? And he's a man, me boxer. And the man, he lost here to me. So when you see people tell you things, they say, don't doubt it. Try it, yeah? If you want to know if it is true, go and practice it, yeah? And you will know if I like.
Peanut Dread, so when you have problems, you must tell it to people because you never know who is able to help you. So right now, me have a problem. I'm not telling you. But me glad Peanut Dread get his finger fixed because, man, dead rat stink. And if your finger didn't smell like a dead rat, Jesus pretty much. Anyways, the next video is a combination with Peanut Dread and, oh my God, I don't remember her name, but I'm always do he calls them with Peanut Dread and Butter Cat and all them, the combination them, it makes them. Hey bud, watch half of it. Now we gonna watch it together.
Peanut Dread, me know you're not dummy. I will collect your money.
Since me get my own page, and me collecting my own money right now.
So Peanut Dread, if you will collect your money, I have 72,000 subscribers. How much thousands of views? You can say the YouTube money not enough?
The YouTube money not enough.
Alright, so I'm to the few grands. What am I saying the Western Unions?
These money,
yeah,
it just fit, it carry me on, eat and drink, because I have to buy gas and me have to pay, me have all internet, me have to pay internet bills.
Well, the people them want bust me head, say me not broke no bread, and I me a rob you.
Oh no, don't misinterpret like me not getting nothing, and like me getting robbed.
Alright, so what you really want to tell the people them?
People can really contribute,
okay,
to assist me, to really finish.
Alright.
My little building.
Well, real helping hand. Link me. And some for use my platform and give a helping hand. So me go post you. Many people them can give a helping hand.
Then I would be grateful.
Peanut Dread say he need all the help he can. Even though I'm a control the money. But guess what? Peanut Dread put the money when they make or is making to good use. Peanut Dread make one nice piece of concrete house, the man. And he's still out of house. Me post video of him still a sell peanut. You see me I say? Yeah man. So I'm gonna go on over there go like up Peanut Dread videos to man. I think a Peanut Dread official. Peanut Dread official. May I drop a link in the description below and I go support the Dread cause you know the Dread I give me content so I can make on laugh. Make me laugh. Alright then I last video and the Peanut Dread talk about in situation. This was like probably months ago. The video I just watched We're gonna watch it without the mix.
All of my fans over the world right now, see, I don't want to misinterpret the thing, right? Because the past, now we are dealing with the future, right? Right now, my fans them, and me control my page, and me I collect my money, and I don't know manager collect my money and like me not getting nothing, yeah? You see, the past, it was happening. Now, things change because me have my own page right now. And me collect my money. At YouTube, yeah? Right? And my little brother now where assist me. Is a good youth, yeah? Him not pressure high, yeah? I hide, give him where I feel like to give him, yeah? Right?
This was months ago, and in our last week, me see one next video like this where Peanut Dread have some issue with somebody, some mix up. But true, me not really involved in a mix up. Me like a joke. Me not like the drama. If you don't like the joke and the funny side of it, yeah man, honest can't get that over here. So, but anyways, we've come to the end of another video, and if you're here right now, I appreciate that. And if you left na half a video, well, you're not going to see this part, but still, me appreciate you. And if you left in the first 30 seconds, I still appreciate you. Now, me I'm going to like the video, share the video, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section. And as always, stay safe, and may God continue to bless you and your family, and even your dirty nasty ex.